Torrential rains in the last few days made enrekang access of Sulawesi Road in Toraja, South Sulawesi sink cause a long traffic jam. And the video circulated on social media shows people seeing the ground movement of enrekang access of Sulawesi Road in Karang Village, Cendana District, Enrekang Regency, South Sulawesi Province. Local people became panicked and left their houses to save themselves when seeing the ground movement that triggered the sinking road. This incident caused a traffic jam up to 5 kilometers. The road access was clear after one unit of heavy equipment deployed to clean up the landslide material that blocked the road. In the meantime, hundreds of visitors were stuck at Karimun Jawa Island, Central Java, Indonesia, as of Monday as a result of bad weather and high waves that hit Java Sea. Based on data from Complaint Post Office established in Karimun Jawa district, there are 356 visitors who are still stuck at Karimun Jawa Island as of Monday afternoon. At least 40 of them are visitors from overseas, which are from Germany, France, and the Netherlands. This number keeps increasing from the previous data, which was only 319 visitors. An official from Jepara region, Edi Supriyanta, said, all visitors are in good health and they will be sent home with Kalimutu ship on Tuesday. Before arriving at Semarang, Indonesia, Central Java, the ship will dock at Karimunjawa to evacuate the visitors stuck due to bad weather.